It's your girl Mimi, not Mimi, it's Mimi, and it's your girl back with another video. And as today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do a top knot bun on your hair. This is the awkward length tutorial. So first, you want to start wetting your hair because you don't want to start with dry hair. So I just got my spray bottle here, and I'm gonna just spray my hair. So now I'll be just taking my comb and combing my hair. Start from the ends and then work your way to the root. Now you just part. And I'm gonna just put this top part on the ponytail. I'm gonna make sure I comb the back properly. So now y'all, I will be using my Eco Styling Gel. But I'm using the green kind because this what I use for my hair, but whatever gel that works for you, use it. And yeah, I'm just gonna take some and I'm just gonna apply it on my hair. I'm gonna rub it in first. And I'm gonna apply it to the part. I'm gonna apply it to the inside because you want your inside to be sleek on your ponytail. So I'm just gonna do that. Take any brush you like it. I'm gonna use this because I don't know my other brushes there right now. But I'm just gonna use this. Take this on my top, comb out my ponytail. I'm gonna take this and you just want to sneak it like that. So I'm gonna get a brush. Just sneaking it here again. then take out the bag. Oh, and by the way, I actually put some detangler in my hair before I started putting water in it, just so it could be more manageable for me. So if you don't have detangler, water is fine, but I put water and detangler in my hair. So I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna put water, I'm gonna put some gel on the inside of my hair, so like this. And y'all are like, why are you putting it on the inside? I'm putting it on the inside so it can stick to this and it can still be sleek. Give it that sleek look. So my, like, you know, when your hair be falling out, like somebody rub against it and they'll like fall down like the ponytail, the back. So you want to make sure that you put gel on the inside too, so that doesn't happen. So I'm just gonna take some more and put it in my hair. And I'm just gonna brush my hair. Brush the inside too. So, especially if you have natural hair, your hair will shrink. So make sure. Everything's sleek. I would recommend using a hard brush instead of that brush. I lost my new one I just got, and I broke the other one trying to brush my hair, so yeah. So now I'm just gonna be putting this in the back sleeve. Hold on. You gotta make sure you get them big buck shots right there. Like, I'm just gonna use this. And I'm just gonna use it in my hair in a ponytail. And you don't want your hair too tight, or else you'll have like things, like your scalp will be like folding over. Like, I'm gonna insert a picture. Alright, but this is the ponytail that I got. And then you're gonna get some weave so you can do the top knot bun so it can look fuller and stuff like that. I'll be right back. Okay, so now you want to do is get some weave like this. You can buy this at the hair store near you. It's like I'm gonna insert the package there, but it's just like some weave that I got from the hair store. And you just want to spread it apart, take it to make it. Okay? And it's not in my hair that I don't want to do it, but it's gonna look better with this. So that's why I'm doing this. I'm doing this method. And you just wanna I just do this and I put it on and I wrap it around. And you want to spread it out because you want it to look natural. You don't want the strands together, or else it's not going to look natural. Cute. So this is going to be my top knot bun. So I'm just going to be doing my edges now. I'll come back when I finish my. Alright y'all, so this is the end of this video. This is how my hair is looking at the moment. Let me do a quick spin. This is how my hair is looking at the moment. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel and have a nice day. God bless.